to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made these quick things with regular toast bread. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how. Okay, the thing you want to do, you want to cut these sides off real quick. And you want to take a roller pin and you want to flatten it out as much as you can. And you want to place pepperoni on top of it like that. Some lunch cheese, mozzarella cheese would probably be the best for this, but I don't have that, so make do with this. Anyways, what you want to do, you want to take the sides of it and roll it up really good. And you're going to take two hands or it won't be as good, but I managed to get this like this. So what we're looking for before we put it in. We're going to put this in and come back and look at it in about a few minutes. We're finished with that. Look at that. Look at pepperoni in there. Cheese. Very delicious. Like, look at that. We're going to dunk it in here. Okay, what did it taste test? Look at that. Oh my god, that's so delicious. Very delicious. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get all the notification videos. And y'all have a wonderful day. And